Hi everybody, welcome to Dojo Go. Now before we start today's lesson, let's get started with the warm-up. We're going to count to 10 in Korean today, okay? Repeat after me. I'm going to say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome, very good job. Alright, let's start rotating our arms. Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. The other way now. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome. Alright, let's swing our arms inside and out like this. And let's say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome, good. Let's start rotating our neck like this. Make sure it's nice and loose. And let's say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Going the other way. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome, very good job. All right, now this time, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start putting our hands on our hips. We're gonna rotate our shoulders forward. Ready? 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Now going the other way. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Awesome job. All right, let's take this arm. Let's go across our body. Pick it up like this, stretching it just like that. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Then the other way. We're gonna keep going. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome job. All right, let's take one hand like we're scratching our back like this. Take the other hand, push our elbow down. Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Let's switch to the other side. Keep counting. Ready? 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome. All right, let's go ahead and start stretching out our legs a little bit. And put your feet together, hands on your knees. We're gonna bounce down and come back up. Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯. Good job. 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome job. All right, let's go ahead and have our feet apart just like this. Hands on the knees. Turn our shoulder to one side. Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Switch sides. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome job. All right, now we're gonna bend one knee, pick one foot up like this. Ready? I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Switch sides. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good. Now have both legs straight like this. Good. Make it star shaped like this. We're gonna go down to one side. And we'll say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Go to the other side. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good job. Now this time cross your arms, head down to the middle. And we'll say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good job. Awesome job, you guys. All right, shake out your hands, shake out your legs. Good. All right, get started with the lesson. Jariet, Kanye. All right, guys, let's go ahead and start the lesson. Hi, everybody. I'm Master Kelly. Now, today is a very special day for our friend Austin. Hi, Austin. I'm Master Kelly. I want to first wish you a happy birthday, happy 5th birthday. And we're gonna do some awesome Ninja Turtle lessons today in celebration of your birthday. Can all of you guys say yes, sir? I don't hear you guys. You guys be louder, you guys. Yes, sir? Awesome. All right, we're gonna start with this. Chariot? Can you? Awesome. All right, here we're gonna do, you guys. When I say go, okay, we're gonna be in fighting stance. What that means is we're gonna take our right foot back and have both hands up just like this. Let's have a race. All of Austin, you be the fastest one. All of your friends, try to be faster than Austin. Ready? Fight yes. Nice. Good try again. Chariot. Awesome. All right. Everyone be the fastest. Fight yes. Nice. Good. Chariot. Good. Ready to go. Fight yes. Good. Chariot. Nice, good, one more, fighting chance. Awesome, good job, you guys. All right, everyone start bouncing your feet like this. All right, we're gonna practice some punches today. Ready? Austin, make sure you lead the rest of your friends and by being the loudest, okay? So ready? Everyone, when I say hana, that means one in Korean. We're gonna throw one punch out, just like this. Everyone together say hana. Good, nice. When I say cross, let's do our right hand. Everyone say do it. Good, let's use our left hand again. Everyone say set. Good, everyone say net. Good, everyone say toss it. Good job, awesome. All right, and keep bouncing in your feet. Now this time, here's what we're going to do. When I say go, we're gonna throw 2 punches really fast. Ready? Really fast. Ready? Everyone say go. Good, good, go. Good, good job, go. Nice, good job, everybody, go. Nice, one more, go. Awesome, good job, you guys, high five. Awesome, awesome, awesome job. All right, ready yet? Good, all right, now I'm gonna be super still. Don't move, be still like a statue. All right, we're gonna play a fun game today. Here's what we're gonna do. This game is called the duck game. So what I want you guys to do, have your feet apart just like this. Now here's what's going to happen, okay? There's gonna be ninja stars coming at our head like this, okay, from a shredder. What we have to do is we have to duck underneath and make sure none of Shredder's ninja stars hit us. Can you guys do that for me today? Can you guys say yes, sir? Awesome, I don't believe you. Louder, I'm gonna say yes, sir. Awesome, okay, all right, ready? Have your knees bent like this. When we see the ninja star coming, we gotta duck down so you don't get hit. Okay, ready? Everyone together with me, duck. Nice, good job, duck. Good, good work, duck. Awesome, duck. Good, good job, duck. Awesome, duck. Good, duck. Okay, now it's gonna be a little bit faster, so get ready. Ready, duck. Good, duck. Good, duck. Good, duck. Good, duck. Good, duck. Good, 2 more, duck. Duck. Nice, good job, you guys, high fives. Awesome, awesome job. All right, now here's what we're gonna do next. Haven't tried it yet? Good, all right, we're gonna practice some Ninja Turtle moves today. Some Ninja Turtle moves. So, I want everyone to go ahead, squat down like this, like a ninja, okay? So here's what we're going to do. We're gonna practice a low spinning roundhouse kick. Okay, a low spinning round kick. If you watch Ninja Turtles, you know that they like to do this move, okay? So here's what we're going to do. I want everyone to squat down like this, and we'll stick out this foot here. Now what I want you to do is I want you to spin in a circle. Just like that, okay? So we're gonna do a low spinning round kick. Ready? Everyone duck down just like this, like before. Stick one foot out. Good, and everyone together, go. Nice, nice, good. This is Raphael's favorite move. So if you like Raphael, awesome, I know you like Raphael. We're gonna work on his move today. Ready? Have your hands like this, one hand to the ground. Stick this foot out and spin. Nice, good job, you guys. Ready? And down, one more time, even faster. And spin. Nice, good job, you guys, high five. That is a difficult move. Now, we're gonna practice some other moves from Donatello, Michelangelo too. Okay, so everyone ready yet? Awesome, hands up, fighting stance. Awesome, all right, here's what we're gonna practice. We're gonna practice a side kick. Okay, a side kick is when you take your knee, you turn it sideways, and you step out like that. Okay, sometimes we use that to hit a bad guy. So if a bad guy's running at us, we side kick them, so that way they don't hurt us. Understand? Now remember, all the moves that you learn as a martial artist, you use them for good. You use them to help other people and to defend yourself. We never use martial arts to get what we want. We only use it if someone's trying to hurt us. Does that make sense? So for example, if someone says something mean, they say something mean, are you allowed to hit them? No, you're not allowed to hit them. But if someone's trying to hurt you and you have to do something about it, then you use your martial arts. That's the only time. Okay, the only time is if someone's trying to hurt you. Does that make sense? You guys say yes, sir? Awesome, all right, and hands up like this. All right, let's practice a side kick together. So everyone pick up your knee up like this. Good, and everyone make sure you don't kick your friends. Be very careful, ready, out. Nice, good job. All right, hands up like this. Let's all kick this way. That way no one's hitting each other. Ready? Pick this knee up and out. Nice, good. Try to keep your toes sideways, okay? Pick this knee up and out. Nice, good job. Good job, Austin. Right hands up here. Ready, pick this knee up and out. Nice, good job. Let's try the other leg now. Switch. Good, that was kind of slow. Let's see who can be faster. Hands up like this. Ready, everyone's together. Switch. Good, switch. 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 Oh, make sure I don't get you. Ready, ready, switch. Nice, good job, switch. Good, switch. Awesome, good job, switch. Good, all right, let's use this leg this time. Ready? And pick this knee up and out. Nice, good job, you guys. Pick this knee up, out. Good, good work. Pick this knee up, out. Good, one more time. Pick this knee up and out. Nice, good job, you guys. High five. Awesome, all right, and face here, try it. Good, all right, now if you're tired right now, breathe in with your nose, out with your nose and mouth. Breathe in with your nose, out with your nose and mouth. Nice, did you guys have fun today? I certainly did. Okay, now, before we end the class today, here's what we're gonna do. We're all gonna sing happy birthday for Austin. Okay, can you guys all sing happy birthday for Austin? Okay, say yes, sir. Awesome, all right, ready? Let's sing happy birthday. 1, 2, 3, and. Good job, you guys. Now we're gonna go ahead and end class today with a cool down. Okay, so go ahead and have a seat on the ground. Let's go ahead and start with a 1 foot out, 1 foot in, just like this. Pulling your toes back, and then reaching up for the sky, and then going all the way down as far as you can. Now remember, you can't touch your toes, it's okay. Go as far as you can, keep your legs straight. Now repeat after me. I want to say hana, do it, set, net. Awesome, awesome job. All right, now here's what I want you guys to do. I want you to take 1 foot, cross it over your ankle like this. You're gonna start rotating your ankle really slowly. Okay, rotating really slowly. I'm gonna say hana, dur, set, net, toss it. Now we're gonna go the other way now. Ready? I'm gonna say hana, dur, set, net, toss it. Awesome job. All right, now this time I want you guys to go ahead and bend your knee just like this. Okay, you're gonna bend it up, stretching out your leg like this. I'm gonna say hana, dur, set, net, toss it. Good. Now we're gonna stretch this leg one more time. We're gonna keep this foot right here, and we're going to reach down while this foot's on top. Ready? I'm gonna say hana, dur, set, net, toss it. Good job. Awesome. All right, now we're gonna switch legs. We're gonna go on the other side this time. Feet out just like this, reaching down for your toes. Ready? And let's say hana, dur, set, net, toss it. Good job. All right, now flip this leg over to the top. We're gonna start rotating our ankle just like this. And let's say hana, dur, set, net, toss it. Good. Now go the other way. And let's say hana, dur, set, net, toss it. Good. Now we're gonna bend our knee just like this, stretching out our leg. Ready? Everyone say hana, dur, set, net, toss it. Very good job. Now having this leg straight, going down as far as you can. Ready? Everyone say hana, dur, set, net, toss it. Awesome job, you guys. All right, now next one we're gonna do, we're gonna have our feet up right in the center just like this. Good, go and flap your wings a little, flap it out a little bit. Good, nice. Now we're gonna go down and we're gonna count 10 in Korean this time. Ready? Everyone say hana, dur, set, net, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome work. Okay, now next one, we're gonna have your feet apart as wide as you can. Good, we're gonna reach down to one side, looking down at your knee, okay? I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Now go to the other side, keep counting. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good job, nice. Now we're gonna go down to the middle. Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Nice, awesome job. All right, let's go ahead and stretch out our back a little bit. Now this time, we're gonna go ahead and go in this position here. We're gonna have our feet on the ground, hips together. Good. Looking up to the ceiling. Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good. Now everyone go ahead and go back down on your knees just like this. Good, now I'm gonna take your hands like this. We're gonna turn our hands upside down, put them on the ground like this. Now very slowly lean back to stretch out your wrist. Ready? Then we'll say hana, dur, set, net, toss it. Good, now we're gonna rotate our hands. We're gonna put our fingers down like this and lean back. We're gonna keep counting. I'm gonna say yasit, irgo, yeder, aho. Good, nice, awesome job, you guys. You wanna give me a high five? Awesome, very good work today. We're gonna go and stand up. Chariye. Good, kanye. Awesome, awesome job today, guys. I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Goodbye.